Gate control. The gate control is a critical section to understand as it is where you will spend the majority of your time controlling and monitoring your gate. From here, you can access any device for which you are either the owner or have full access. If you do not have full access to the device, certain features I'm about to demonstrate may not be available to you. At the top of the page, you will see the name of your device, accompanied by a gear icon. This icon provides access to the device's settings. Below this, a visual representation of a gate, and it will show its current position. Please note, if the motor direction is set incorrectly, the gate's displayed position may appear reversed. To correct this, adjust the motor direction on your PC board accordingly. The gate will display statuses such as open, opening, close, and closing, allowing you to monitor its activity in real time. Additionally, the gate will indicate when it is in learning mode, and you can find a refresh button next to the gate, enabling you to refresh the page and retrieve the latest readings instantly. On the left, you will notice the Wi-Fi icon indicating the connection status. When the icon shows as online, it means your smart device is successfully connected to Wi-Fi, allowing you to manage your gate remotely if there is an internet connection. To the right, you will find the battery voltage section, which provides two key readings. The top reading, labeled Last Run, shows the battery voltage measured while the gate was in motion, meaning the gate was under load. This measurement is a reliable indicator of the battery's health. For instance, if the voltage drops below 23 volts, it may suggest a charging issue or that the battery is nearing the end of its lifespan. The bottom reading, labeled Current, provides the current battery voltage while the gate is stationary. This information indicates the voltage you would observe if you measure the battery at that moment while connected in the motor. This information alone can save you hours of troubleshooting, significantly simplifying fault-finding processes. You will also see the mains on indicator, which informs the user whether the external power source is connected to the motor. This feature also supports solar power and can be configured to send push notifications, alerting the user when the power source is interrupted or when it is restored. If the external power is currently off, a mains off will be displayed. The IR beam icon must be activated in the settings menu if IR beams are installed on your gate. If the IR beam function is not enabled, the status will display as not installed, as demonstrated here. To enable the IR beams, navigate to the settings menu where you will find the beams installed option. Simply toggle this setting to on and save your changes. Once the beams are installed and the IR beam function is activated, the system will detect any interruptions and display it here. To activate your gate via Bluetooth, simply return to the main screen and tap the Bluetooth icon located to the right of your device name. This icon will be illuminated if you are within Bluetooth range. If not, it will appear grayed out. If you have pedestrian access only, the Bluetooth trigger icon will appear as shown. To trigger the gate motor via Bluetooth, just tap the icon once, and the gate will respond accordingly. In the device control section, there are two options available for triggering the gate via Wi-Fi. The first option is the pedestrian button, which allows the gate to open approximately 1 meter, permitting a pedestrian to pass through. The gate will then automatically close after 8 seconds. The second option is the main trigger, which fully opens and closes the gate. Please note that both options are accessible only to the device owner or to individuals who have been granted Wi-Fi access by the owner. Additionally, these Wi-Fi triggers will only function if the device is connected to your Wi-Fi network and has internet connectivity. To activate the Wi-Fi buttons, you can press and hold the respective button for 2 seconds. This is a safety precaution in the event of an accidental trigger. The Wi-Fi trigger should only be used when it is safe to do so and should never be activated without careful consideration. It is the responsibility of the individual pressing the button to ensure the gate's movement is safe. This crucial safety measure must be clearly communicated to all users with Wi-Fi access. Here, we have the light button. The light button controls a relay on the gate motor's PC board, allowing you to connect a 220-volt courtesy light. Once connected, you'll be able to switch the light on or off as needed. There are more buttons available once you tap on the arrow, provided they have been activated in the button display settings menu. The holiday lock button allows you to secure your gate when you're away, preventing any triggers from opening or closing the gate, including the push button on the PC board or a remote. Next, we have the Stay Open button, which locks your gate in the open position, blocking any triggers from closing the gate until the button is deactivated. This feature is especially useful as you no longer need to disengage the motor manually to keep the gate open. Please note that with both features, if the PC board is reset or the battery and power are disconnected from the motor, these buttons will be automatically deactivated. Thank you for watching.